Hello friends, welcome to NJCT. We are going to start Social Science of 10th Standard. We will start with the first chapter, that is Heritage of India. Now, what is the meaning of heritage? Can you give me some examples of heritage in India? Heritage means the traditions, qualities, and culture of a country that have existed for a long time and that have great importance for the country. For example, you may have seen Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal was built in Mughal period and it is the symbol of love. It reflects the culture of our country. So you can view it as heritage. Heritage relates to inheritance, meaning passing of beliefs, culture from one generation to another generation. India is a land of ancient culture. Why is it so? We know that Indian culture is considered as one of the pure and holy in the world. It has its roots based on brotherhood, harmony, and peace. Indian culture has Vedas and Purans, where all the discovery of today were noted thousands of years ago. Whatever we discover today is already mentioned thousands of years ago in our Vedas and Puranas. Remember, there is a difference between culture and heritage. Heritage means inheritance, that you are passing some belief or customs or tradition from one generation to another generation, and culture is a way of life. We will learn more about culture. But when we talk about culture of India, then here you can see different religions, communities, languages, dance forms, architecture, music, food, etc. So these things differ from place to place within our country. That's why India is a land of culture. Ancient Indian scripture Vishnu Puran states Uttaram yat samudrasya himadreshchaiva dakshinam varshtada bharatnam bharti yatra sansatihi. It means that India extends from the Himalaya in north to the Indian Ocean in the south. It is said that new descendants are called Indians. In the beginning of any auspicious ceremony, Bharatvarsha, Bharatkhand, Jambudvip, and Aryavarta, etc. words are used while taking resolution. There are various names of our country: Bharatvarsh, Bharatkhand, Jambudvip, and Aryavarta. Jambudvip is a name often used to describe the territory of Greater India in ancient Indian sources, and this term is based on the concept of Dweep. Dweep means island or continent. Our country is called Aryavarta because it is the land of Aryans. The Rigveda provides evidence that Aryavarta was inhabited by the Aryans, and thus this land was known as Aryavarta. Our country is gifted with natural boundaries: Himalaya in the north and sea in east, south and west. Here in the picture you can see Himalayas in the north, Arabian Sea in the west, Indian Ocean in the south, and Bay of Bengal in the east. From all over the world, different countries mesmerized by the Indian prosperity and came to trade, settled, and mingled with Indian culture. So, from the history also, we have learned that many emperors attracted towards the prosperity of India and came here to become more wealthy. Due to the mutual exchange, many changes have been seen in our culture. In this way, our heritage is transferred from generation to generation and it is continuously progressing. That is the meaning of heritage. Now, let's talk about India's location and area. We have already studied in the 9th standard about the present area and location of India. So, can you tell me where our country is located? India is situated in the continent of Asia. Here you can see the continent of Asia, and in that continent India is located. It lies completely in the northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. It was very vast in ancient time, and now area-wise it stands on the 7th rank and population-wise on the 2nd one. India is the 7th largest country in the world, and according to population it is on the 2nd number. So we have started with the meaning of heritage. Now in the next video we will talk about rich and varied heritage.